Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Ambergris is not a buried treasure, but it is washed ashore by the sea. Hasan Basri said, a fifth is pebble on amber and pearls. The Prophet ﷺ has imposed a fifth on the buried treasure and not on what that is found in water. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet ﷺ said, a man from Bani Israel asked a loan of 1,000 dinar from another man belonging to Bani Israel. So he lent him. So he, after receiving it, went to the sea but could not find a boat. He took a piece of wood, bored a hole in it, inserted 1,000 dinar in it, and put that piece of wood in the sea. So the creditor came out and took the piece of wood to his family for fuel. Narrating the Hadith, he said he split it and found the wealth. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1498.